Hey everyone, it's Dr. Erica Person with the Flex Audiology Show, and today we are going to do an unboxing of the Dormi audio headband for sleep, relaxation, and more. This company reached out to me because they know I have tinnitus, and I actually bought this myself. They didn't send it to me, and I just haven't had really a chance to look at it. My tinnitus really hasn't been that bad in the last couple weeks, but today it's pretty aggressive. So I thought maybe this would be a good time to knock this out and see how it goes tonight. So I'm gonna get it undone. I haven't really taken much of a look at it, and because I bought it a few weeks ago, I can't really remember a whole lot about it. So I'm opening it up. Seems like it's super small, super compact. When I purchased it, they only had the heather gray available, so it must have been sold out, but they have like teal, blue, burgundy, and black. Or maybe they did, and this was just the option I thought was the most neutral. I don't know. It talks about how you can take it wherever, and so we'll see. So we're gonna open it up, see what's in here. There is the USB cord. This is probably my little carrying kit to put it in there. We've got instructions, the quick one in the book, and then we've got the actual headband itself. So I can actually feel the speakers here in the sides. And then it's got Dormi on the front. It's super cute. We'll see if it, oh, and there's buttons. There's actually buttons here in the middle. I can hear it. I don't know if you can hear that click. So let's look at what we're supposed to do. Yeah, it looks like there's a volume up and down, previous tracked, LED status light, volume up, charging port, and then just turning the headset on and off. There's a 30-day return policy. Probably past that. That's okay. So the first thing I'm going to do is enable my pairing on my phone. Well, I'm using my phone to videotape, so I can't do that. And then you'll turn on the Bluetooth headband and then connect your device. It says Dormi headphones. And then it's got a bunch of different options. So what I'm not seeing is what I should do first. So it looks like I need to charge it first. And that is the question I have. Gently remove the control panel and speaker. Oh, that's for washing it. Okay, so the steps are not as, it's probably supposed to be dummy proof, but here we are. That's all about washing it. I want to use it. So let me see if there's maybe something else that talks about a quicker way. Okay, this one's just saying thank you. Okay, all right, so that's going to be my first critique, is that I really don't know how to use it, and there doesn't seem to be easy start here instructions. Instructional manage. So let me see if I can find the charging port, because I'm assuming we would need to get it charged up. Okay, yeah. So this is out. I don't know how you get it. Oh, you probably have to take the speakers out too if you were going to wash it. I don't know. But on this end, there's like a little charging port here. So I'm assuming if I do that, seeing if I have an adapter for my computer to plug it in. Okay, so it didn't come with anything else other than that. So I'll probably I'll have to figure out a different method to get it charged up. So how about this? We're gonna abandon charging and abandon connecting it. Once I get that to happen, I can always jump back on and give you guys a better review. But I'm gonna look at the box, I guess, and see how it's supposed to go on my head, so we can at least figure that out. The speakers seem like they're up here, so maybe I've got it backwards. I'm gonna try the other way. If first you don't succeed, try again. Oh, that's better. I can tell already. So I think the hope and the assumption tonight, that's much more comfortable, is that I probably need to find a way to charge it up first, which should be easy. But all companies are not sending out those blocks anymore. So I know I've got extra blocks. Otherwise, I have an Apple computer, so I don't have a USB. So I need to find my adapter or wherever that is to get that plugged in. What I'm not seeing is how long it's going to take to charge. I do see how to pair it to my Bluetooth headphone. And then also what I don't know is what kind of sounds is it going to make. Is it just I'm streaming my own music out of my iPhone? That would be probably most likely. It looks like within this card, they're saying that they have paired with a company as well. Audio Cardio. I haven't heard of them, but that doesn't mean anything. So they have partnered with them to give you a 30-day trial with their Tinnitus app that probably has different sounds. But generally speaking, you're probably just going to open up your whatever traditional tinnitus app that you've had or that you've found that has either a purple noise, rain. I like the light therapy, tinnitus light program. They got some pretty good options that are no cost, and then you'd probably Bluetooth it into this little guy once you get it connected, and then you'd be able to turn it up and down using the buttons once you got used to that. So that would take a little bit of trial and error. So this wasn't that great of an unboxing. Sorry, guys. So you can at least see that real world, me fumbling through it, trying to figure out what I'm supposed to be doing. I will say it's pretty comfortable. I don't know if it's because I moved it around. It's starting to bother my head a little bit. I got a pretty big forehead, so I'm wondering maybe I don't have it where it's supposed to be, or maybe I just have it too tight. I think that will be what will be interesting for me, is whether or not the headband would get uncomfortable as I sleep. So I will try this tonight, and I will give you guys an update tomorrow on just my experience. We'll see. Hope you guys have a great night.